Welcome guys. Today is the 20th of November and as you can see here we had our first freezing night. So in Denmark the winter has finally come, but we don't really mind because we're growing plants in a vertical farm and this is how it looks. Maybe you are considering how you can take your gardening hobby indoors because winter is here and we're gonna wait at least until April, March, something like that to start our plants again. So if you still want to keep gardening indoors but don't know how to keep your plants alive, then we have some solutions for you guys. Today we're gonna talk a little about the Danish trolleys that we are offering. And we are going to talk a little about the new Indo light that we also have integrated in some of our systems. As you can see here, we have two different kinds of trolleys. And basically we have a lightweight trolley here, and then we have a heavy duty trolley here. This is powder coated white. It can also be powder coated black, but this is kind of our lightweight version. So the Danish trolleys and the trolley kits come all included with 4 shelves, with 4 water trays. Yeah, so you can choose the light that you want. We made an option for that on the web shop. If you go to nordichydro.com, you can find all the equipment there. So this is the affordable model. We have integrated this with Indo Light. So Indo Light is a company from the UK doing street lights. And I really like their sales pitch because when I was at Vertifarm, I met them and the idea they portrayed was that when you're doing streetlights, it's really expensive to go all the way to the top of the streetlight and you have to change it if something breaks. So when you are producing streetlights, you want to produce them in a fashion that makes them as unbreakable as possible because you don't want to go all the way up to the light and then change it. And that mindset and those ideas is what they were having in mind when they created the Vertilink. So the Vertilink is a 29 watts LED, 120 centimeter strip. And we made a kit together with Indo Light where we have 4 strips of light that fits this lightweight trolley. And then it's connected to a driver. So this is not able to be dimmed, but that's not necessary either. And yeah, I just wanted to show you how you could take your gardening hobby, take it indoors and start doing testing with a lot of different herbs and plants because this can stand anywhere in your house. Just make sure that the humidity doesn't get too high. This is a solution for you if you want to keep growing your plants indoors. So yeah, we have different trolleys here. Subscribe to the channel, and if you already are a subscriber, I salute you. Thank you for being here. See you in the next one.